Welcome to the channel. Today we will take a look at three-way heads. This is a more simple one, a Manfrotto, and it's called, and this one Arca Swiss, and it's called, and this one is so much more expensive than this one. But is it better? Is it worth it? Because this one cost this much, and this one, this three-way head, costs this much. You have these knobs. You want to go down, both can do this, and they can go up, of course. And what else do we have? Well, can go sideways. I guess it's this, no, this knob, you know, can go like this, and the other way, of course. And there is a third way, and that's the panning. This knob, this is very important, that you can adjust in all angles, because when you shoot like a watch, you need to adjust, you know, millimeter by millimeter. And a mistake I made when I bought my Arca Swiss Cube, I did not know there was another version where you can control the panning, because I cannot control the panning with mine, and this is disaster. I just have this, now it's tightened, and then I loosen it, and then I have to do it like this, you know. I want to have a knob, but there is another version. They took, I think they took like this knob and replaced it with one of these guys, the bigger knobs, so you can turn it and adjust the panning, but then you have to pay this much, you know. So I don't know why I didn't buy that one while I was burning that much money, you know. Probably I should try to sell this one and buy the other one. Or is it really worth it with this much money? Why not to use a Manfrotto? There is a big brother to this one called, there is also even bigger one than that, but that one is quite expensive. Three-way heads, that's absolute must, I would say. Imagine if you have like just a ball head, you know, you loosen, and then the camera is like this, woo, 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 and then you tighten, you try to switch, open it, it will take forever. So I would, if I'm starting out, I would get this Manfrotto three-way head, so I can control everything, you know. And you can open them up, and you can adjust them a lot, and then you let go, fine-tuning. So don't do the mistake I did. If you are planning to buy an Arca Swiss Cube, make sure that you buy the even more expensive one with the knob for the panning. Very important, I would say, because I'm standing in the studio many times and pan left 1 millimeter, open knob, oh, 4 millimeters. Okay, let's go back. You know, it's a hassle. But this one, you know, it looks cool. Standing in the studio, hoping someone will see you, how cool you are. You have an extra knob down here on this one. If you open this, you can do like this. So there we are. A quick little tip of the day. Remember, it's Black Week now, so if you need to upgrade something, you should do it now. Like I posted this about the Capture One. I upgraded Capture One because this camera, the R5C, for some strange reason, Capture One, the older version, doesn't work with this one shooting tethered. So I was forced to update Capture One. So now I did, and it's 50% off. And don't forget to add your company, your business VAT number, you know, then you skip the tax also. So I only paid 140 euros for Capture One, the latest version. So there we are. Anything else we need to add while I'm sitting here? Probably not. Thanks for the coffee, all the members. If you'd like to join, support this channel, you would like to see more videos, then you can support the channel here by clicking the join button, or you can head over to Patreon. I will post all member only videos over at Patreon too, if you can't join here on Facebook, I mean YouTube. So remember, I will see you next